let's take a look at our handwriting practice for the week. Instead of having sentences, we're just practicing individual words, so this is not supposed to make any sense. It says vine, peace, love, give, and villain. We're practicing the letter V. To make the letter V, you start at the bottom and you go up, hump down, make this little ledge for the I, 2 humps for the N, and then E, then make your dot. Remember, the goal of cursive handwriting is to not pick up your pencil unless you have to. A couple of things I want you to watch for are the round letters. Do not go round and round and round to make your round letters. That's incorrect. For this O, you go up, down, go to the top, and we go back the way we came to finish off the O. C, you go back the way we came. You do a lot of backtracking in cursive. So you're going to go to the top, circle back around. You never go around and around and around to make an O. That is incorrect. Love, give, and villain. You're just going to practice making those words. Trace them and then write them yourself underneath. If you need to trace it more than one time, you can do that. The next letter we're practicing is the Z. A Z is an interesting letter, and I'll show you how to make it right here. You make one little hump and the loop like a G. So one little hump and a loop like a G. It's kind of a strange letter. So for zoo, I'll make hump, loop, straight up to the O, back to another O. For zipper, hump, loop, up for the I. P is loop and a circle, loop and a circle, E, R. Be careful with your P's. I've seen lots of people making those very incorrectly. I'll show you again how to make that. Up, down, J loop, and the circle. Don't ever stop. Up, loop, circle, around. Now, again, trace these words and write them correctly underneath. I'm only modeling these letters so you can see how to do it. You don't need to write 2 P's right here. You need to copy these words underneath. The next letters we're practicing is kind of a mixture. This word has a Y and an F. Remember that the F is made by going up like an L and down like a Q. Don't make this mistake. I've seen a lot of this. Backwards loop. That is not an F. That is wrong. It is not an F. The X is the letter we're practicing here in these 2 words. To make an X, I'll practice here. You go hump and over and put in a cross. Hump and over, put in a cross. It's a pretty simple letter actually. Happy copying! The next page is practicing the letter W and then a couple of other random words. So, the letter W is pretty simple. It's like the U, only you make an extra hump and then put that little arm on it. So, under, under, arm. Under, under, arm. And that's how you make a W. Enjoy your cursive.